and is Executive Director of HDFC ERGO General Insurance. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry are the lead states for us at HDFC ERGO. So under our state insurance plan, we have a huge focus on Tamil Nadu. We have more than 50 branches in Tamil Nadu and 4 branches in Puducherry with awareness and to provide and to fill the gap of insurance that is there for the people of Tamil Nadu. Today we are having the third edition of our insurance quiz, junior for the school students in Tamil Nadu. We reached out to more than 1,000 schools and 1,000 schools showed their interest, and 8 schools got in the final stage to spread awareness. And we believe that at HDFC ERGO and general insurance companies, all these awareness programs, having new products for the people of Tamil Nadu, it will help to secure their future, to protect their wealth to the indemnity products. And at HDFC ERGO, I will say that we are there for customers always at the time of their need to pay their claims on a digital mode. So use digital mode, buy your motor, health, cyber, pet policies, for their fire policies, for your home policies from HDFC ERGO. Protect your wealth that you have created. Stay well, stay healthy, and all the best for the people of Tamil Nadu. So technically look at the schools and the students. So this school quiz, insurance quiz for junior students about the concepts of insurance, which we believe is very, very important, because at the schools at the very young age, they should know why insurance is required and how insurance protects our wealth and our lives and our health. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry is very, very important for us, sir, because as per the IRDA state insurance program, so we are the lead insurers in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. So these are the 2 states which we have adopted in the last 3 years. So because of that, we have spread awareness. So this is insurance quiz. Then we have done insurance week. We do various kinds of camps. Our 60% of our CSR, corporate social responsibility fund, is spent in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, in 60% of it, and this number is big because we support hospitals, we build schools, we create mobile medical vans, and also this year we have paid total claims of 22,000 claims we paid in Tamil Nadu. In the whole country, of course, we paid 8.6 lakh claims, health claims, retail health claims, apart from motor claims. And we have almost 1,500 cashless hospitals in the state of Tamil Nadu. And we have 188 employees in Tamil Nadu. And we have 675 employees in Tamil Nadu, out of which 200 are women. So continuously we are increasing our presence in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. It is creating employment for employees and female employees, and we have a large number of agency force also in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, almost to the extent of 10,000 plus. As an organization, HDFC ERGO, we are a customer first organization. One of the very, very good thing that has happened, say for example, in the first 6 months of this financial year, 99% of the claims intimated were paid. So this is a new thing that in insurance industry we talk about, is the payout ratio. It is not a settlement ratio, it is a payout ratio. What is a payout ratio? Number of claims paid divided by number of claims intimated. So there in the first 6 months, we are 99%, much ahead than the competition. Our rejection rate in retail health is only 2.6%, 2.5%, largely because of frauds. So as an organization, we give the fastest amount of approvals for claims approval. Customer service wise, we do as per our contract, and we are not doing anything additional, right, for the benefit of the customers, because we understand that the business of insurance is to pay claims, and we just do it to pay claims. We are digitally also very, very strong, because we understand that the today consumers, policyholders want to interact with us digitally, and tomorrow's consumers, the Gen Z, the young population who are now come as a decision maker, they also want this experience, just like the experience that you get from any other platforms, commercial platforms. So whether it is our portal, whether it is our policy issuance or claims, everywhere we are digitally enabled. Almost 96% of our policyholders, the policies are issued digitally, no manual intervention. Today, 85% of our claims intimations also happen digitally. Means customers come and digitally intimate. Post policy issuance for endorsement or other requirements, 86% of those interact digitally, and out of which almost 15% is done through an AI model. So AI is interacting because we are advanced in using AI and Gen AI for the benefit of the customers. Customers should have the best of the experience in insurance, and thereby the trust on insurance and the insurance sector will go up. At the end, I will talk about one particular thing of HDFC ERGO called Here app. Here, Here, Here app, Here by HDFC ERGO. So this is India's only insurance-led ecosystem. So it's an ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? So there are 4 ecosystems now: motor, health, cyber, and pet. There we are not talking about insurance. We are talking about various things that people do with motor or health or pet or cyber. Why? Because to create awareness in the mind of consumers, we need to show them what insurance can help them. Say for example, in health section, people can come and go for a diabetes center of excellence to manage their diabetes. They can check their BMI, they can check their heart rate, and so on and so forth. In motor, they can come and check the challans that are there for traffic violation anywhere in the country. They can check it. They can check that if you are having an electric vehicle, where are the charging points? Say for example, I will go from here to Mahabalipuram. So on that route, where are those charging stations where I can charge our vehicles? So that is there. In cyber, they can check whether their email ID has been compromised or where it has been compromised, so that they can change their passwords and all. And in pet, they can check that where they can take their pet child for grooming or spa or vaccination. All of these products do have an insurance as well. So today we have a download, an all organic download of 1 crore plus, out of which majority are non-HDFC ERGO customers. So thereby we are attracting non-HDFC ERGO customers to experience the features of this Here app, which actually in turn becomes their friend, not only to buy insurance or lodge a claim, that is normal, but to support them in their daily life, whether which hospital to choose if there is any issue, what will be the expense in those hospitals, where to take my car for a normal shampooing, where to take my pet, whether I am cyber secured. So this is one thing that I would like to highlight. This is very, very unique, and I would like that in Tamil Nadu also, through your media, through your publication, through your television channels, there should be, you should popularize the usage of Here. And I would also urge you to also download it from a Play Store or the App Store. So that is from me, and thank you very much once again for coming, and look forward to your questions if there are any.
Sir, for children, any offer for futures for insurance?
Children are also included in the health insurance policy. See, this is our business is non-life. We don't give life insurance. We give insurance for our motor, house, liability, anything that you do can be insured, including health. So child health is also covered. If there is a personal accident covered, someone buys, then if the parent dies, there are policies which can take care of the education of the children till such time they reach the age, I think graduation.
Travel also.
And in travel also, in the travel policy, the normal overseas medical policy, children are covered.
Sir, how exactly is AI applicable in your service potential? Like, what are the modes for which you use AI while serving the customer?
Sir, first thing, and I think in insurance, the AI usage are in two parts. One is to identify frauds. This is very, very important to understand. Sir, there are, say, 100 claims are notified, right? And if 5 claims are fraudulent claims and any insurer pays it, next year when the premium increases, whose premium will increase? For good customers.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if I cannot identify the bad customers, I am actually penalizing the good and honest customers. There the AI is used globally and also in India and also by HDFC.
So that such customers
are customers are identified. We identify hospitals, we identify workshops, we identify customers who has actually not got hospitalized but is trying to claim. So there are models work on various advanced modeling called neural networks, GLM. On this basis we work on AI. That is one. Coming to customer service. Now on customer service, say for example, at 12 in the midnight, when someone wants an assistance for a hospital contact number and all, and they cannot do it, they can go to my chatbot and ask for it and can get it. So AI will be used to enhance the customer experience so that their customer experience is harmonious and normalized. On the other hand, the AI can identify fraudulent customers through their patterns. We create patterns to the models. It can give us seamless understanding for underwriting, and all of these things will either bring down the premium or keep the premium constant against inflation, or give them superior customer service, and both of the things are happening in India at the same time. And
you're talking about underwriting. So there is a separate and exclusive study called actuarial studies. Only actuarians are trained to underwrite policies. So what is a kind of...
Sir, actuarial science is a science where they price a risk.
Okay.
They don't underwrite. They price a risk.
Okay.
They say that if the risk is this, then you have to price it like this.
So the premium...
premium, yes. So they decide the premium based on the study of probability.
Okay.
I am just simplifying it. The actuaries are one of the best intellectual brain anywhere in the world. In India, the numbers are very, very less. We as an organization, HDFC ERGO, we have the largest number of actuaries to support the organization and thereby the policyholders to have the right kind of premium and to understand the right kind of risk. So they price it. The machine till date is not pricing it.
Okay. So the fairness is ensured.
Yes,
what
of
kind
course.
Of risk you offer and what is the pricing that can be loaded upon?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for saying this. Please understand, we come from our shareholders are HDFC Bank and ERGO, which is Munich Re company. Munich Re is world's largest reinsurance company. 140 years old, based in Munich. And HDFC Bank, you all know that how much of customer satisfaction and customer centricity that they have. Both the companies have the same philosophy that you have to be fair to the customer. You have to, if you want to run longer. So we want to create an institution which is more than 100 years. We do not want to come to a situation where we do something wrong to the customer. Yes, we also do mistakes. If we do mistakes, and thereby there is a grievance. If you go to IRDA website, you will see that our grievance resolution is at least 1/3 of that of the other companies. Other companies, the grievance resolution. Yes, so we want to reduce grievance. Our grievance rate is one of the lowest, and we try to approve all kind of claims, and thereby we are very cautious in accepting a risk, because that time it should not happen that at the time of payment of claims I will ask questions that why you did this, I will not pay these claims. Thereby our flagship health insurance product Optima Secure has a feature inbuilt called consumables.
Okay.
Sir, when we go to the hospitals, you will see that there is at least 7 to 8% of the bill is consumables, which is not payable, non-medical consumables. So our policy also included it, so that at the time of release from the hospital, we don't come to a confusion and conflict. Secondly, we are the company who started, and now it is 2000 hospitals on an early discharge. If there is a planned discharge the next day, and if the patient party, the policyholder, let us know the previous night, then as soon as the doctor signs the discharge summary the next day morning, the customer and the policyholder can walk out without waiting for the final bill to be settled. Similarly, for chronic diseases like dialysis, chemotherapy, you know that they have to go for multiple sessions. So doctor writes, do 6 sessions, do 8 sessions.
It's not a single sitting.
Not a single sitting. So there we have told them that please don't come to me for each and every approval for each session. Concentrate on your treatment. Come to us once. Say that doctor has prescribed 8 sessions. If it is in the same hospital or the same center, one time approval, take it and go and get treated. So that philosophy is always there, and thereby we always want to be fair to the policyholders, because we know that we have to run for a long distance and we have to be there.
The show has to move on.
Show moves on, but I think as an insurer, as a leading insurer, we try to see that we give fairness to customers, so that the trust of the people of India should be there on insurance.
A moral commitment is also.
Sir, moral commitment, but more importantly, the people have to understand the importance of insurance. When the insurance is not there, say for example, when the Chennai flood happened, what kind of devastation happened in the city of Chennai? And how many of these houses were insured? After that, for 15 days, there are lots of calls to insure the homes. After 15 days, everyone forgot. Next time when the Chennai flood came, it was less because there were lots of precautions taken. But people don't insure. People should know that why insurance is required, sir. And for that, the trust is important. They should know that if at 12 in the midnight, I am in that hospital, there is an insurance company, or there is a company from whom I have paid premium for last 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. They will be standing there financially to support me. That trust is there in the industry, sir. Today, the industry pays almost 95% of the claims. I pay more, but 95% of the people, there is a trust. For 5%, regulator, government, us are working how to see that this gap is bridged. Think of COVID. During COVID, that 2 years, this health insurance paid 25,000 crores of COVID claims, which is most probably very rarely done globally. Private insurance companies, public sector insurance companies paying COVID claims. This is not life, only health insurance. They have done a huge service, but still there is a gap. But what I'm trying to say that we should trust insurance company, and through your writing, and also criticism. So that trust should go up, so that people can come out and buy. Means in this room, how many people do have a home insurance? Most probably one or two, or maybe zero. I also don't have it.
I had it only at the time of construction of the house. I didn't renew it.
Second, I think very few of us are carrying cash here. At least I'm not carrying cash. Everything is through some wallet, right? So you are using everywhere. How many of us having a cyber insurance?
Well,
Now these are very, very small amount. I am pretty sure every one of this room can afford a home insurance. If I can buy a house of 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore, then to pay a 10,000, 20,000 rupees for a premium is possible. Cyber, money will go out. Where do you go for 10,000 rupees loss? A 10,000 rupees loss is also a loss. Maybe the premium for that for the full year is 500 rupees. And we are exposing everything. We have exposed everything. And it is not only money loss. It can be a stalking on the net. It can be a blackmail on the net. And I'm not getting into that concept of digital arrest and so on and so forth. And it is all good, but we don't take it. These coverages are available. Every coverage under non-life is available. So we have to go and I think take it. Health insurance. Today the awareness has come. People are buying it. But people should have the right amount of health insurance. Say for example, third party insurance, motor third party. 50% of the vehicles on the road of India doesn't have a motor third party insurance, even a motor third party insurance. Tamil Nadu also has a very, very high number. And people don't buy it because but just imagine motor third party, if that vehicle hits someone and that person dies, that person's nominee, family member will not get any claim. Because if it is proved in the court that the vehicle which had hit doesn't have an insurance, then which insurance company is to pay the claims? No one. That family, and we have seen those cases where the family is on the road. The breadwinner has died, and the family, the young wife and the child has nowhere to go. Not much of a literacy, and this is a mandate, this is a law. Home insurance buying is not a law, but motor third party is a law.
mandatory.
It's a mandatory one. But people are not buying. People are also not thinking that if this vehicle by chance hits someone and someone gets injured, someone dies, then it's the social insurance is a social business, our kind of an insurance, right? And I think that as a society, we should be also responsible to buy insurance.
The 3 years you have been working in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, how far you are successful? How far you penetrated? Raising awareness.
I think the awareness has increased, sir. I will ask Shilpi to provide you some data that how much of business has increased. See, when we had set up 55 branch offices in the state, how much of home insurance we have insured. See, motor insurance, health insurance will give data, but home insurance, some insurance which are not protected, and we know that we are into a situation where the climatic condition, the diversity or the thing of a climate condition is a real thing. So, and when we do the state insurance plan and when we meet people from the media like this, we know the awareness is there. But it is not only a matter of only us. We work with other fellow companies and also with the government of Tamil Nadu. Now, this has to be a concerted effort. Say, for example, we have selected the number of gram panchayats, she will tell you 2000 plus gram panchayats, where we have identified houses and motor vehicles that they have, and we have a target. It is a social obligation that we have, that to insure 10% of those. It is a social obligation under IRDA regulation. So that also we have done. So we are going to the gram panchayat heads and requesting them that to help us. So this is also something which we have to support these Gram Panchayat heads and also in the villages to do that.
So, Tamil Nadu 55 is a sizable number. As far as Pondy is concerned, I think you said 4. So, what are the plans of food?
So Pondi is small compared to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is huge. You know Tamil Nadu very well. I have also traveled Tamil Nadu by road. I love your biryani, the way the biryani changes every 100 kilometers. And the non-veg, of course. This kind of non-veg.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Calcutta
Calcutta.
originally, but this kind of non-veg you do not find anywhere in the country. The variety of non-veg, and if you go to Trichy and if you travel from Madurai to Coimbatore, that route, every 100 kilometers, 50 kilometers, the food changes. So in the state of Tamil Nadu is very, very large. The people are aware. People are literate. So in that sense, we have a huge opportunity in Tamil Nadu. Same with Pondi. Pondi 4, we are doing well. But sir, this is also something that the regulator's vision of insurance for all by 2047. This cannot be done in 1 year. It is a concerted effort that we are putting. We are putting, I think, sizable resource in terms of manpower, CSR funding, and I will request you to give the details of the CSR funding. Sure. The CSR projects that we have done are very, very interesting projects. So we put up the science and technology labs here in Tamil Nadu. So we have 2 particular districts where we work. One is Virudnagar and another is Ramnathpuram. So these are the 2 districts where we double down within Tamil Nadu. So there we have done, refurbished primary healthcare centers, schools, then mobile vans, health mobile vans, then this 10 labs and others.
Just to add some of the numbers of what Partha was saying, we've been doing health checkups, we've been doing rural health camps and interactions at clinics and hospitals. For motor insurance awareness, we have done help desk at auto stands and key public zones. The campaign we further boosted with collaboration with some regional influencers and all as well. All of this put together has given us almost 17 lakh interactions with people. So from an awareness perspective, to ensure that we can go and reach out to more and more people and tell them that you should buy insurance, these are the kind of activities that we've been doing. And obviously what you are here for today, which is the quiz that we do every year. Last year we only had some 500 to 600 government schools. This year we have 1100 government schools who registered for our quiz, and then the preliminary round was done between almost 831 schools. So that's the level of reach, because we also feel that if we catch the students young, when they grow up, they will understand the concept of insurance. So these students will then be aware that why they should buy insurance. And our quiz, I will request, if you have time, you should witness it. I mean, it's nail biting in terms of how they prepare for the insurance quiz, the kind of questions they are able to answer. They become experts of insurance.
I would also like to mention that in Tamil Nadu, we also implement the crop scheme in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Because in crop insurer, we are a large crop insurer in the country, and in Tamil Nadu also we do it. So I was looking for it, but from 2022 we are doing it, because it goes for a 3 years contract. So and it's quite good. So last year in 2024, in Rabi and Kharif of 2024, we almost paid 100 crores of claims. So we are a very, very significant player in Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu is also I think very progressive and advanced as far as buying crop insurance is concerned for their loany and non-loany farmers. So that also I just wanted to add.
You were okay.
From 2015,
Yeah.
16,
10th edition was.
we did the 10th edition. And I can tell you, after 10 years, and this time we got those kids who are 10 years back, was 14 years old, 13 years old, and they have now become adult. And they said that particular interaction those days, I am aware that what to do, why insurance is required. And this is simplified. They have a normal GK question, but we do their training also. It is not that they just come and start the quiz. After they show their interest, they are being trained by us. So that basic idea is to impart the concepts of insurance. Why insurance is required? What kinds of insurance are there? How you can protect your wealth? See, we do not give back anyone's life, right? We cannot give back anyone's car. We can only indemnify the financial loss that they suffer, so that their hard-earned money doesn't get waste.
So we give them study materials, which are, as you said, in a language that they understand, and they read from that, and then they come and participate in the quiz.
Micro insurance or in future, any specifications, sir?
About a sachet product. We call it a sachet product, just like your shampoos, sachet product, like a cyber sachet. Cyber small products, these all are available. The one thing that will happen, and I will take that concept question from AI, Gen AI and all, more and more you use it. So I know individuals very well. So more than micro insurance, we should talk about hyper personalized insurance. An insurance product which is for you separately and him separately and him separately. So not a common product, because your health insurance requirement, your motor insurance requirement, your cyber insurance requirement, your pet insurance requirement can be completely different, and we will be going towards it. It will be designed and tailored for your need.
OPD.
Thank you so much for coming, and I would request, if you have time, to see the quiz from 2 o'clock. I think it starts at 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
It will be very, very interesting. There will be 8 kids, I saw.
8 schools.
8 schools.
8 schools.
8 teams.
8 teams.
Yeah.
Teams. So 16
16
students.
students.
Students are there, and very, very interesting. And we, in every quiz, we start writing down that how many answers we know. Most of the times we will not be able to qualify, but these kids answer, and that is something amazing.
As you said, they are trained.
Yeah. And there is, I think there is 1 school or 2 students, I
2
think,
students are defeats.
are repeats. They became the finalists last year, and they are finalists this year as well. And look at the schools. 1,000 schools have been reached out this year. 1,000.
1,070 is the number.
1,070 in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry.
Registered.
Registered.
So obviously we reached out to much more, but
But
many
imagine
registered.
1,000 schools showing interest for a, as you said, abstract topic of insurance. It shows that the awareness programs are working. It will take time, because the kids will go and tell their parents. That's the way the teachers and the entire ecosystem start working.
And the national quiz that Parthanjal was talking about, now we have also started a senior edition of that.
Okay.
So till now we were doing with students of 8th, 9th standard. Now we realize that we should also reach out to graduate students or those who are doing graduation. So we have started, first year was last year, and now this will be the second edition of insurance awareness quiz, senior as well. So we are also realizing that while this 8th, 9th standard student will be able to utilize this knowledge after some years, these college students probably in the next 5 years will be in the industry, and they should also be aware of it. And that was also a very good initiative and a successful initiative from us.
So we'll be also circulating a press release on after we get the winners, because we don't know who are the winners. So by evening we'll be circulating a press release on this quiz also. And apart from that, if you have any queries